Dear students, today's discussion topic is ASEAN. Now let's discuss its foundation or organization. Let's see. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN was established on 8 August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand, with the signing of the ASEAN Declaration by the founding fathers of ASEAN, namely Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Then Brunei, Laos, Vietnam, Myanmar, and Cambodia joined ASEAN. Today, there are 10 member states of ASEAN. Now, let's discuss its objectives. To accelerate economic growth, social progress, and cultural development of Southeast Asian nations. To promote regional peace and stability based on the rule of law and the principles of United Nations character. To promote active collaboration and mutual assistance on matters of common interest in the economic, social, cultural, technical, scientific, and administrative fields. To provide assistance to each other in the form of training and research facilities in the educational, professional, technical, and administrative spheres. To create free trade areas for investments, labor, and services. And now, to promote Southeast Asian studies. Now, discuss its functions. Territorial disputes should not escalate into armed confrontations. To accelerate economic growth, social progress, and cultural development. To promote regional peace and stability, to promote mutual assistance on matters of common interest in the economic, social, and cultural fields, to create free trade areas for investment, labor, and services, to maintain close and beneficial cooperation with existing international and regional organizations with similar aims and purposes is another functions of ASEAN.